Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get an app to open this Roblox-Player link. First things first, you want to visit the Roblox website and click on the Download Roblox button. Then, just follow the on-screen instructions to install the Roblox app. Once the installation is complete, you should be able to open Roblox game links without encountering any issues. Alternatively, you can open the Roblox game link directly in your web browser. Just right-click on the link and choose Open in Web Browser. Then, this should launch the Roblox game in your web browser. Lastly, you may need to create a Roblox account or log in if you haven't already. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.